So I'm going to show you something really amazing, something we do all the time. This is called mulching. Mulching is a very common practice in natural farming. I think you can see it now behind me. We have tons of fallen leaves in this food forest because of the natural leaf shedding in this season. We don't waste even a bit. Most of it stays where it is, but a lot of it goes into our little patches where we have our vegetables, and you can see how they are spreading the leaves onto the soil. This saves us a lot of weeding, which otherwise, because we don't use weed killers on our soil, it's natural farming. So this is a great technique to stop weeds from coming up. At the same time, these leaves keep the soil moist. We are getting into hot summer, so this means we do less watering. The soil remains damp, moist, does not crack, and this keeps the plants healthier. 3, this itself decomposes and becomes compost. So you can imagine the number of good things that can happen with this mulch. I am delighted to show you this.